Welcome to study our course called Native Architecture. In this lesson 42, we will study rolling out deployment. So deployment rollout is triggered if and only if the deployment port template is changed, such as the container image. For example, if the labels or container images of the template are updated, other updates such as scanning deployment do not trigger a rollout. So here we just see this slide animation. So first, we can say that we will create a deployment in 3 loads, and now we create the replicated port count is 3, and the application version is v1. And now we want to update the container image. So now, but the traffic is still come in. So now first we will during the process, the cluster we will create a new pod, and when the pod is status is running and ready, the old pod will terminated, and the new traffic will routed to this new pod. Okay, okay. Now another new pod is now will be created, and when the status of the pod become available, and the old pod will be terminated, and the same, and the third pod will create the third pod, and when the pod status is running, and the old pod will be terminated, and the traffic will go to the 3 created pod. Okay, so this is the rollout of the deployments. Okay, here now we just take an example to do this practice in the command. So first we get deployment. Okay, first we delete the deployment. Now the deployment my dep is deleted. Now we create a new deployment. So we use kubectl created deploy my dep and specify the image equals nginx, and the replica count is 3. Replicas equals 3. Okay, kubectl. So my kubectl under okay, this one option replicas count. Now the created. Now we can use the kubectl create get pods -w to create. Now their status is running. Okay. Now we use kubectl get pods to change. Now we just update the container image. Okay, first we check the image in the deployment. We can use the kubectl get deploy my dp, and with the output format is YAML deploy. Get deploy my. So we can see that the container image version is under the spec here, spec container, and this image name is nginx, and the container and the container name is Nginx, so now we can see its version with the latest version. Now we just we just set the image, the version to this version, Nginx with the 1.16.1. So we can use the kubectl set image with the deployment deploy my app and Nginx, because the image the container name is specify the container. The container name is Nginx equals and specify the version of the Nginx container Nginx 1.16.1 and specify the option record to record what the changed history. Okay, so if we enter this command, we can see in this console the container changing process. Record no. Not, we can't use the record flag record. It will be so we delete this option and okay over here. Not fine. Deployment my not the my app. It should be dep my dep and okay. And now we can see here. Now this tool is status is containing. Okay. Now terminating. So we can hear from this, because now these two in the old version these three pod are running and now our new pod is creating the pod 179BV is pending, and because he is downloading the image, and then the status changed to be container creating, and then this pod now status changed to be running, and the old we can see here, and the old pod, this pod 6K-HTB pod is terminating. Okay, so this is terminating, and also the second pod, this ZD2GW is ready to be created. Now status is pending, and then the status changed to be container creating, and the old pod RN and the old pod. Okay, this is still the old pod and terminating, and okay, and this is the new pod container creating, and the old pod terminating. So okay, we can use kubectl get pods. Yes, now the new three pod are being created, and their status are all running. So okay, and we can also check the container images in the deployment kubectl get deploy OEM. So we can here to check the Nginx image. Nginx image, container image. We can see here the container image has this version Nginx :1.16.1. This is the image version we have specified in the command. Okay, so in this lesson we have take example show the process of updating deployment. So that's all. Thank you.